Hi everyone, it's Julie from Live for Art here, and today I'm going to do some marbling with marbles. This was all the rage, I think probably about 12 months ago, and I really didn't get to try it, so I thought I'd give it a go. I'm using some leftover paints. They're all metallics, and they're mixed with a mixture of PVA and Floetrol. And I think I got the consistency just right for this one. It does need to be reasonably thick, particularly later on when you spread it out. Actually, I did have one other try, and the paint was just too thin and it just moved everywhere, and it looked great before I moved it, but once I moved it, it lost the shape. But this one was good. So I'm using gold, silver, antique silver, and also copper here. And whilst I was just randomly putting them down at first, I decided in the end that I'd be a little bit more thoughtful and just do at least one puddle of each colour in each of the puddles. So it really is a fun technique when you get to put the marble on and move that around. So I hope you have a go if you haven't already, and you can get some great results. One of the challenges is knowing how much marbling to do and when to stop. I think this was a reasonable amount, although next time I would like to try a little bit more and get even more patterns in there. So whilst the patterns stretched out back and forth a bit when I tilted, they really maintained their shape, which was great. So I do quite a bit of tilting. So I'll just let you enjoy the flow of patterns. So one of the challenges in fluid art is always about knowing when to stop. And I decided I wanted a few more lines in here, and I'd have a go at putting the marble on again. I quickly learned that that was not a good move. As you can see, it's really gone down to the black, and that makes sense. The paint's been stretched out and a lot of it's over that black. And so, all the marble is doing is taking the paint off, collecting the paint as it goes. I mean, maybe if there was a marble with paint already on it, I did use a fresh one, it may have made it a little bit different, but I think it's not a good move. I think you need to really get your patterns before you stretch out and not try and do more later. So here's some close-ups. You can see some of the glitter in in those metallics. I quite like the colours now, but when they dried, they were really vibrant, and I like those as well. So stay tuned, and we'll see a dry result as well.